Are you tired of plugging in your phone? Well, I got wireless chargers for you. Check them out. What's up, guys? My name is Mario, and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Don't forget, guys, you can still win this. All right, guys, this is part 3 of the wireless ChargePad Pro review. This thing is a 10 out of 10 must recommend. I have to recommend it because guess what? This thing is awesome. It's quiet, it's vented, it's gonna charge your phone, and you know, it's very easy to use. All you gotta do is plug it in. That's it. You can have these everywhere, especially at the price point that they have them. And at $39.99, you can buy them for gifts, holidays, and everything. Also, they have Afterpay. So if you wanna make it in payments, boom, why not? Okay, they come in a variety of colors. They have white, gold, blue, red, and black. And if you buy a ton of them, you can, you don't even have to buy a ton of them, but you can just, if you buy one, you can use, or 2 or 3 or 4, you can use coupon code MMTR25 and you get 25% off. What's to lose? These are great stocking stuffers. If you're gonna be looking for any, like, you know, you got Father's Day coming up, boom, Father's Day gifts. Let's go. So I definitely would recommend it. Go check them out at myhypergear.com and use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. Don't forget, guys, to like and follow for more.